Unlock a treasure trove of savings on Temu by mastering the art of the coupon bundle. First, navigate to the coupon section within your Temu app. You'll see an area dedicated to coupon bundles. These are your golden ticket to stack savings. Browse through the available bundles. Each bundle typically contains a set of coupons that can be applied together to a single order, often with escalating discounts based on your spending. Pay close attention to the requirements for each bundle. You'll usually see a minimum order value needed to activate the bundle's full savings potential. As you add items to your cart, keep an eye on the running total. Your goal is to reach or exceed the minimum spend threshold for your chosen coupon bundle. Once your cart total meets the bundle's criteria, the coupons within the bundle will automatically become eligible, or you might need to tap a button to activate them. On the checkout page, you'll see the coupon bundle discount apply, significantly reducing your final price. It's crucial to ensure the bundle is listed as applied or available before finalizing your purchase. Remember, coupon bundles are designed for larger orders, so combining them with individual coupons on smaller purchases might not be as effective. Always aim to maximize the bundle's impact. By strategically selecting and applying coupon bundles, you can truly transform your Temu shopping experience and snag incredible deals on everything you desire.